Hey guys, welcome. Today we're diving into the Hisense 85-inch Class U8 Series 4K UHD Google Smart TV. Before we get started, if you're considering buying this TV, check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Hisense U8 series impresses right out of the box with its sleek and modern design. The 85-inch screen offers a virtually bezel-less display, providing an expansive viewing experience that's perfect for any living room or home theater setup. The sturdy stand and high-quality build ensure that this TV not only looks great, but also stands the test of time. Display performance. The Hisense U8 series boasts a stunning 4K UHD resolution with mini LED technology, delivering incredibly sharp and vibrant images. The use of QLED technology enhances color accuracy and brightness, making every scene pop with lifelike colors. The native 144 Hz refresh rate ensures smooth motion, whether you're watching fast-paced sports or action-packed movies. Full array local dimming. One of the standout features of this TV is the full array local dimming, which provides superior contrast and deeper blacks. This technology adjusts the brightness of individual zones on the screen, resulting in a more dynamic and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching a dark, moody film or a brightly lit show, the U8 series adapts to provide the best possible picture quality. Game Mode Pro. Gamers will be thrilled with the Game Mode Pro feature, which optimizes settings to reduce input lag and enhance the overall gaming experience. The 144 Hz refresh rate, combined with the low latency, ensures that every game runs smoothly and responsively. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters or exploring expansive RPGs, this TV has you covered. Smart features and connectivity. The Hisense U8 series is powered by Google TV, offering a seamless smart TV experience with access to a vast library of apps and streaming services. The built-in Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility allow for easy voice control, letting you search for content, adjust settings, and control smart home devices with ease. Connectivity options are abundant, including HDMI 2.1, USB ports, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This ensures that you can easily connect all your devices, from gaming consoles to sound systems, for a complete home entertainment setup. Audio quality. This TV also shines in the audio department. The integrated speakers provide clear and immersive sound, but for those who seek a more cinematic experience, pairing the TV with a high-quality soundbar or home theater system is recommended. Final thoughts. The Hisense 85-inch Class U8 Series Mini LED OLED 4K UHD Google Smart TV, 85U8N, 2024 model, is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. With its stunning display, advanced gaming features, smart capabilities, and sleek design, this TV offers exceptional value for its price. Whether you're a movie buff, a gamer, or just someone who enjoys high-quality television, the Hisense U8 series is sure to impress. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing.